The ocean is a thriving ecosystem where marine life, like this pod of whales, coexists in harmony. Whales play a crucial role in maintaining ocean health by circulating nutrients and supporting phytoplankton growth. However, human activities such as shipping and oil drilling increasingly threaten this balance. In 2020, over 1,000 marine species were classified as endangered due to pollution and habitat destruction. The distant cargo ship on the horizon hints at the looming risks to this fragile environment. A catastrophic oil spill erupts, releasing millions of gallons of crude oil into the ocean. Oil spills suffocate marine life, block sunlight, and disrupt food chains. The 2010 Deepwater Horizon spill killed over 100,000 marine animals and contaminated 1,300 miles of coastline. Here, oil-coated seabirds struggle to fly while fish and coral perish. The leaking tanker, now visible, underscores the devastating impact of industrial negligence on marine ecosystems. Disoriented by the toxic oil, a young whale strands itself on shallow rocks. Oil spills impair whales' echolocation, leading to fatal beachings. Over 2,000 cetaceans strand annually due to human activity. This whale's struggle highlights the spill's immediate toll. Rescuers rush to the scene, but time is critical. Without intervention, dehydration or organ collapse will claim its life within hours. Marine biologists and volunteers mobilize to save the stranded whale. Using specialized equipment, they stabilize its body, administer fluids, and protect its skin from sunburn. Successful rescues require precision. 60% of beached whales die without expert care. Teams work tirelessly, knowing this whale's survival could aid population recovery for its endangered species. As the whale rescue unfolds, hundreds of volunteers combat the oil spill's aftermath. Booms corral the oil, while workers scrub rocks and rehabilitate oil-coated birds. Cleanup is grueling. Only 10 to 15% of spilled oil is typically recovered. The remaining toxins seep into ecosystems, causing long-term damage. Here, teamwork and technology collide in a desperate bid to mitigate the disaster. After weeks of care, the rescued whale regains strength in a rehabilitation pool. Veterinarians monitor its recovery, ensuring it can hunt and navigate before release. Successful rehabilitation rates hover at 40%, but this whale beats the odds. Its upcoming return to the wild symbolizes hope, a testament to human dedication and nature's resilience. Long after the spill, scientists work to restore the marine ecosystem. Coral reefs are replanted and protected zones are established to safeguard wildlife. Krill populations, critical to the food web, rebound with reduced fishing pressure. These efforts mirror global initiatives like the Paris Agreement, aiming to reverse decades of ecological harm. Progress is slow, but visible. Fish return and waters clear. The once devastated ocean now teems with life again. A new pod of whales swims freely, while eco-friendly ships patrol the area. Public awareness campaigns, fueled by this disaster, push for stricter regulations and sustainable practices. The lesson is clear: prevention is the best solution. By balancing industry and conservation, we can ensure such tragedies remain in the past.